2204 Spartan View. Might want to cut some of the limbs back further away from the house and power wash the driveway. This is a cute neighborhood in a desirable area. So we have good blinds, an official eat-in area over there, which is great. Large yard, so this is real grass. But we do have some rock and pavers. Of course, we want to rekey that. Replace this with tile, probably. There we go. These are probably Corian, so we would probably leave those. Cabinets look pretty good. Some dents in the fridge, a Hunter fan. We need to remove this pet door, so probably replace this door. And probably fill in that pet door over there as well. Ow. Little coat closet off the front of the house. Powder room. Need some tile in here. The wall color looks nice in here though. It's very close to the color that we usually do. Looks like we may need a toilet seat. A new toilet seat looks a little crooked. It may be fine. I think the walls may be fine in here. Certain areas definitely need touch up, which is normal. So it looks like there may be a change in carpet here. Blinds look good for the most part. I mean, I'm not testing them to make sure that they actually work, but they're the correct ones. They don't look warped or a funny color. These cabinets look good too. I mean, tile. It's about $6.50 a square foot upstairs. But as you can see, it's a small area. No caulking or grout needed for that tub, for the interior of that tub. So that's good. Less maintenance. This is a big closet. Banister's nice looking. A linen closet. Need tile in here too. Probably replace that drain ring and get a little stopper. The shower rod's not going anywhere. Cabinet and counter looks good. Oh, the exhaust fan downstairs is really loud in my opinion. It's great that we have a fan with a light kit in one of the extra rooms. We have closet door guides, a closet rod. So far the hardware's been the same. We have the screens on this window, but on the outside of the window, but you probably need it on that side. Looks like we have a screen on one side of the window here. Walk-in closet. Okay, that's it. Oh, now that's it.